Okay, so today I'm going to be taking my flat twist out. I don't know what this is going to look like, how it's going to turn out. I think the last time I tried a flat twist out was in 2016 and my hair was in a totally different state. So I don't know how this is going to turn out. So I put these in on Monday and it is now Wednesday. I put them in Monday night just because my hair takes so long to dry. Okay. So I didn't blow dry it or anything. I just kept them in. Usually I refresh my wash and go and stuff, but I decided to do this, you know, because I'm very bored with my hair. And also again, okay, I will be looking in this little screen here on my camera because I cannot see myself properly in the mirror that's here. So I did film a little short video of when I was putting them in. Okay, so I'm just going to insert the clip and then just show you what I'm using or what I was using and then what I did. Okay. Okay, so I'm using the Doux Big Poppa Gel. Again, this is being done on my wash and go that I had in already. So I'm just using the same product I use so there would be no flaking or anything, you know, anything weird going on. Okay. So I'm just splitting my hair into sections and then I'm going to spray each section with water, detangle, and then put the twist in. So yeah, as you can see in the video, I'm just going to go through my whole head and do the same thing to each section, but speed it up so we're not sitting here all day going through my head. Okay, so that's what I did. I'm gonna start taking them out because I also do not have that much time. Tim Hortons. Iced coffee season is gonna be over soon for me. I stop getting them as soon as it starts getting cold. Okay, so let's just take these out. I don't know how I'm gonna do this because here, let's put, I feel like my hair is still damp. That's crazy. So don't know how this is gonna turn out because I've had my hair in a bun. I've taken it out of a bun. I've worn a headband. I've done many things since I put these in. The definition is looking good so far. I need patience. Can't be losing definition here. Okay. Okay, that's kind of cute. My hair is still damp, but I'm sorry. I am not about to do any... I just tied a knot. I'm not about to do anything about it being damp right now. I've had these in for 2 days. I'm getting very bored with my hair. I've been looking into coloring it. I've been looking into straightening it. I think I am going to straighten it in a few weeks once it gets a little bit colder. The back of my hair is so wet. Like, what? I've had these in for 2 days. I had a few struggles along the way putting these in because I haven't done them in so long. But it really didn't take me that long. And honestly, if this is going to be something that's easy and quick and different from a wash and go, which I'm so sick of, especially for the winter time because, you know, it's cold, I think this might be a good hairstyle to do at least once a week. This is where I stop being patient towards the end because I'm just like, I literally do. So this part right here was very damp. I don't know why. I'm gonna try my best to separate. Wherever I can tell that it's been twisted, I'm just gonna separate it because I don't want to ruin the definition. Like, that is okay. See, I'm trying not to do the wet pieces that much, but just wherever you see, like, oh, okay, just wherever you can see, you can split it because not all of them you can do that. Okay, this is so cute. Okay, I'm just gonna take a pic and kind of, what the hell? And just, okay, hold on. Put some gel, slap some gel on the side. This is what I usually do. Okay, so it's out and done. Again, the side is still damp. You know, I don't want to mess around with it that much. Okay, hopefully you can see the definition. The back, I have to fluff it out a little bit. It's just the back is very, very damp and I really do not want to mess around. So yeah, I think it turned out great. Please let me know what you think and I will see you in my next video.